How to make your face look younger. Aging is a natural part of life, for both men and women, but that doesn't mean it's always pleasant. If you're worried about losing your youthful looks and demeanor, then you're not alone. Don't worry, there's help along the way. There are plenty of things you can do to knock years off your image without destroying your bank account or getting surgery, like taking attentive care of your skin and changing up your hairstyle. Making your face look younger. Choose a gentle facial cleanser. Aging skin does not need harsh products like the ones teenagers often need to use, as there isn't usually any excess oil. If your cleanser is too harsh, it will be stripping your skin of its natural oils, and therefore drying out the skin and causing it to age more quickly. Look for ones that are aimed at your age group, or ones that describe themselves as gentle or moisturizing. Women should moisturize their faces anytime before they wear makeup. It is still important to cleanse your face as you get older, as it removes traces of chemicals from your environment or any makeup which can cause aging if left on the skin. Moisturize after cleansing. It's important to give your skin a moisture boost so that it can look after itself. Dry skin ages more quickly if it's not moisturized. Look for anti-aging moisturizers with a high percentage of their active ingredient. If in doubt about which to buy, try looking at reviews or try to find scientific research supporting the product. Make sure that the product you decide on is rich and deeply moisturizing, unlike the ones you may have used in your younger years. And remember, moisturizing is not just for women. There are plenty of similar products on the market aimed at men. Use sun protection daily. There are many moisturizers that already contain SPF protection in them, and this is because it is vital to protect your skin from harmful UV rays every day in order to avoid sun damage. The sun is one of the main things that causes premature aging, so dermatologists recommend that you should wear at least SPF 15 daily to avoid wrinkles, brown spots, and a dull complexion. As well as this, it will protect you from skin cancer. You can put sunscreen not just on your face, but on your chest and the tops of your hands if you're just going to be out in the sun for a little while. This will prevent those spots on your chest and hands. If you're going to really be out in the sun, though, then you'll need to put sunscreen all over your body. Exfoliate your skin. Gently exfoliating encourages skin cell renewal, therefore encouraging younger looking skin. Choose something that is aimed at older skin as they are more gentle and less likely to dry out or damage the skin. Exfoliation is also good to do as it leaves your skin feeling softer and looking brighter. For men, exfoliating before shaving your face can make the shaving process easier as it exposes more of the hair. Manage your facial hair. For men, this will make you look better groomed and less scruffy, allowing you to look good with age, and for women, this will hide this side effect of aging. Here are some things to keep in mind for each gender. Men. Keep your face clean shaven or neatly trimmed, and always trim your nose and ear hair. You can buy nose hair trimmers at your local pharmacy and it's completely simple and painless to use. Letting this hair grow wild adds age and also makes you look more scruffy. Make sure to pluck those nose hairs too, if you want to avoid that old man look. Women. Facial hair can sometimes appear in women after menopause due to a change in hormone levels. To get rid of this, and therefore hide your age a little better, there are a few easy ways to keep it away, including laser removal, waxing, depilatory hair removal cream, and threading. Women should also make sure to keep their eyebrows looking pretty thick. As you get older, your eyebrows may start to thin out, so make sure to color them in with a pencil that matches the color of your eyebrows so you continue to look youthful. For women, you need to wear makeup to look more youthful. There are dozens of makeup tricks that can help women make their features continue to stand out as well as to hide the signs of aging. The trick is to hide those blemishes while emphasizing your best features, such as your eyes. Here are some tricks to try. Make sure you use a creamy concealer. Any concealer that is waxy or that can get cakey can actually make you look older. Put a dab of blush at the height of your cheekbones, but don't use blush in the hollows of your cheeks. As you get older, your face will actually lose fat, and your cheeks will naturally get a little hollower. This can make you look a bit older, so there's no need to emphasize this further with too much blush. Start using brown eyeliner instead of black. As you get older, black will start to look too stark in contrast to the rest of your face. Brown will create more gentle frames around your eyes. Show off your lashes. As you get older, your lashes will naturally get thinner and will straighten out, So counteract that by curling your lashes or even wearing thickening mascara when you can. Minimize the drama around your lips. A nice pale shade of lipstick can be a great addition to your face, but don't line your lips too much or wear bright lipstick. Your lips will thin out as you get older, and there's no need to overcompensate. Hope my video will help you make you younger. Love yourself. Take care.